Hello everyone, friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will witness the incredible crash test of Huawei's ultra-luxury sedan, Maextro S800. In the crash test with a truck at 50 kilometers per hour, the car and passengers managed to stay safe. The most incredible thing is that it is robust even under a 5.5-ton load. Moreover, the vehicle challenges not only impacts but also high pressure. In another stage of the tests, a 5.5-ton load was dropped on the Huawei Maextro S800. This weight was even more than the weight of most vehicles. However, the car managed to successfully pass the test without losing its functionality under this heavy load. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Hope to see you in another review video. Goodbye.